Hi guys, welcome to Simply Scuba. Here we have the Seac Unica mask. So this is a snorkeling full face mask. This is great for people who don't like water around their eyes, nose or mouth because it completely isolates your face and keeps all of the water out. So this has a few sort of benefits over a traditional mask and snorkel setup. The first one is that whenever you breathe in, it pulls it in through the snorkel at the top, and then all of that fresh air just rushes over the faceplate of the mask, which defogs it. So the problem with just traditional masks is that they can tend to fog up pretty quickly, and then you've got to wash it out and put it back on, and that can get quite annoying, whereas with this, every time you breathe in, it's going to defog your mask. Every time you exhale, because you have a pocket that sits over your nose and mouth, it pushes the air out the side and then out of the top. So all of that sort of humid air that you're breathing out just goes straight out of the mask and you don't have to worry about it fogging up. Okay, but taking a closer look at the mask, so starting up at the top, we have the snorkel section. So all of this is removable, so it makes it much easier to pack and travel with it. At the top of the snorkel, we have a little float. So if a wave kind of splashes over the top of your head, instead of allowing water to get into the snorkel, this little float floats up, blocks the top, and that means that water can't rush in. There's also a pretty comprehensive splash guard over the top, so even if it does splash and the float doesn't activate, the water is going to be sort of pushed away from the opening, so that's always clear and it keeps the water out. If in the unlikely event any water does make its way in, what it does is it's going to drip down and go all the way down to the bottom of the snorkel where there's a little one-way valve. And that way, every time you breathe out, it's going to push the water out of the bottom. So that way you never have to worry about sort of water getting into the mask, because even if it does, it just goes out of the bottom. Okay, moving back down from the snorkel, then up at the top, just here, these are the exhaust valves. So that means that you have a really big open bore, plenty of fresh air is coming in, and when you exhale, it goes straight out of the side, away from you, and it just vents out of the top. So you have nice, clear, fresh air every time you breathe in, and all your bad gas just expels out of the top. Okay, moving down to the lens. So this is a plastic lens, so you don't have to prepare it at all. You don't have to use any kinds of mask preparation treatment because it defogs itself, and it's a flat lens. So a lot of the other cheaper ones online, they have curved lenses, and curved lenses basically just act as a magnifying glass as soon as they hit the water, and then that can be quite uncomfortable for your eyes. So always look for a flat lens. Moving down, then we have the sort of oro nasal pocket that covers your nose and your mouth. I can show you that on the inside. So this is part of the silicone skirt, and this covers both your nose and your mouth, so you can breathe through your nose and your mouth. You can sort of talk whilst you're in it. It's nice and comfortable, and because it has these big seals all around it, it really spreads the pressure so it doesn't get uncomfortable even if you're wearing it for long periods. Whilst I'm talking about the seal, it's a Z-shaped seal, and you have an extremely wide sealing area all the way around your face, very effective at keeping the air in and keeping the water out. Holding the mask onto your face is a elasticated webbing. So this is nice and soft, and it's adjustable at the bottom. So a 4-point sort of harness strap system goes around the back of your head, and that's going to keep you in position. So nice and brightly coloured, this one especially, so you're quite easy to see in the water. It does come in 2 different sizes, a smaller sort of kids version and then a larger one for the adults. So all in all, it's great if you want to go snorkeling, but you don't want sort of water anywhere near your face. This is the Seac Unica mask. Thanks for watching, and safe diving.
We are an online dive store serving the UK and the world for all your diving equipment needs. So why not visit us at simplyscuba.com or click the box on your screen.